We want to identify on these questions, 7 through 14, whether they're positive, negative, decreasing, or increasing intervals. So you're going to be given an interval, and these are going to always be x values. So this is not a coordinate. This is a x to x. So it reads like 1 is less than x is less than 4. Anything between 1 and 4. So what you go through is you look at your graph, and you can shade on it if you want to. Go through at 1, and then you go to 4. And you look at the part of the graph that's between those two x values. And you look at four different types of intervals. Okay, there's four different types of intervals. There's increasing if it goes up and to the right. There's decreasing if it goes down and to the right. There is positive if it's above the x-axis. And then there's negative if it's below the x-axis. And then you can have combinations of, that's a x, not a y. So this would be a negative. So you have four different types of intervals. You can have an increasing and a positive or an increasing and a negative. You can have a decreasing and a positive or decreasing and negative, but you can't have an increasing and a decreasing or a positive and negative when you're comparing those. So if you look at 1 to 4, looks like this is a little bit above and below the x-axis. So it can't be positive or negative, but because it's going down as it goes to the right, this would be considered a decreasing interval. So that's how you read it. And then on the graph, you can't really graph this, but you can think about 1 less than x less than 4 is between those two numbers on the x-axis. And that's what you're looking for.